I'm just doing a clip from a different perspective. I'm standing right on the edge of the river. The river's actually flowing underneath me, and I'm standing on a big log. I'm standing actually on this tree log here, and there is the river running towards me, and it's running underneath this huge pile of logs, sticks, twigs, branches, roots, and then it's carrying off in that distance over there. But there we go, as far as the eye can see, as high as a mountain, and all the way across there. And then here's our river. There's something very exciting and thrilling, something wondrous, something amazing about a river. Even though it looks like there's a lot of destruction, I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of life emerges from all of this. It's going to be amazing.